Ready to race. Race number 2. And the race is on. Hallelujah from the outside. Running by the rails, enjoy the flight. In between runners, Dumada Gundong and Forever Young Racing Import by the rail. Foxtrot, Storm Signal, Strike Force, fourth last from the outside. Quick Action, Gifted Talent, while Beauty Contender is the early trailer. Run going along for the first turn. Enjoy the flight. Followed by Dumada Gundong. Hallelujah racing from the outside. And running in fourth by some 5 lengths. Forever Young. Storm Signal. Foxtrot racing in 6 by some 4 lengths. Quick Action, Strike Force, Gifted Talent, and Beauty Contender is running at the tail of the field. Hallelujah from the outside. Enjoy the flights running by the rail. Dumada Gundong is racing in third by some 4 lengths. Storm Signal is racing in fourth. Forever Young, Foxtrot, Quick Action as they race the last 400. Hallelujah, this time by half a length. Enjoy the flight is running by the rail. Dumada Gundong, Storm Signal, Danori inside. Forever Young, Foxtrot, Quick Action. And on the outside, Gifted Talent, Strike Force, and Beauty Contenders running at the back of the pack. Entering the last 200. Hallelujah! Increasing its marker to about 4 lengths. Foxtrot is on the outside, Storm Signal. And finally, hallelujah! Foxtrot, Storm Signal, Dumada Gundong, Joy the Flight, Quick Action, Beauty Contender, Gifted Talent, and Strike Force comes.
Masyadong mainit ngayon. Hindi si Hallelujah, yung race caller natin. Sharp na sharp.
Pansin ko nga. Ang ganda ng forecast palagay ko nito.